Hello guys, in today's video I will show you 3 uses of advanced filters. Number 1, filter multiple values at once. So I have a data of 300 rows here and I want to filter out only 10 companies. But it may be difficult for me to keep track of the selections I have already made. So the easier way is to create a new sheet and write down the data you want to filter. Go to your original data and copy the headers and paste it here. Now in the original table you have to go data, then in sort and filter press advanced. All your data will be selected. In the criteria range you go to the new sheet and make the selections including the header, and all your data will be filtered at once. Second use, you can remove the duplicates and get unique values of your data. So for example, I have 300 rows of data in column D and I only want the unique values. I will select my column, click data, advanced. I will check select copy to another location. I will leave this criteria range empty. I will copy my data to this shell and I will check this unique records only, and as you can see it does not include any duplicates. Number 3, you can use wildcards to filter your data. For example, I want to only filter out companies that start with the letter H. Now I have created the header on the same page. I'll type H and I'll put question mark. I'll click on the data and then click on advance. The data will be selected and I will select the criteria. As you can see, all the companies that start with the letter H have been selected. Now if I want to filter companies that have the word bank in them, in the asterisk I write bank, or I want the companies that have the word listed, advance. I will expand my range criteria and I have all the companies that have the word bank in them or the word listed in them. Going one level up, if I want to filter the listed companies that only have the employees greater than 40, then I'll expand my range here and I will now only have the listed companies that have employees greater than 40. I will share the link of this file in the description below, and if you have any questions, please write me down in the comments. Thank you for watching.